He's a good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy.
It's Sophie and her new toy.
So, this is your sign. If you want a puppy, no you fucking don't. Look at this dumbass. Oh, yep, there it is.
Stella.
Alfie.
No.
Remy? Remy! What are you doing?
Put it out. Let's pet it out. Let's pet it out.
Galvenais paliek no otras puses. Kārtīgāk notīri šeit arī vēl.
Labi, ķerī.
Hi, Frankie, it's Daddy.
A brincadeira aqui das crianças. Ó.
No, stop it. Stop it. No, stop it. Stop it. No, stop.
Come on, pray for the brush. Pray for it. Pray for it.
Really can't come to the beach nowadays without at least seeing one shark.
Yeah, but that's not going inside.
And then you have to take a straight line route out up over the ditch in order to get in line for the next fence number 6, which he...
What? Would you like meat?
Those stretch receivers that are running the verticals down the field take the deep coverage.
I cannot make this up, dog. Bro. They serious.
Oh my god. Bagel, Terry. Would it reverse, Terry? Would it reverse? Oh, Lord.
We taught Noah to run away, otherwise he's gonna get knocked over. Oh no, he's down! Huh?
Que dura un mes, ¿sí? Y se tocaría el 26 de septiembre. ¿Sí, señor? Ahí estamos con el poncho. ¿Bien, Poncho? ¿Estamos bien? ¿Sí?
Ay, tiene lo más lindo de la cancha, que tiene pelito, que tiene ojito.
No, 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 no.
Do you ever just look at your pet and think, this is the most perfect thing that I've ever seen in my entire life?
Look at this girl. She was mad I didn't give her any chicken minis, so she stole the whole Chick-fil-A bag.
Братуха, пропусти. Брат, я понимаю, ты старшой здесь. Дай проехать. Шо, сколько мы должны запросить?
Мама! Мама!
Do you?
Hazel, I gotta go. Come on.
in the house. I need you to get in the house. I gotta go bye-bye.
Tienes cansada, me tienes aburrida, de que siempre que veas la bendita puerta...
Come on. Good girl, Lolly. Oh my God.
George! Get off the roof! Get off! What are you doing?
Come on, let's go.
No, the sheep are out. Thank God I have a sheepdog.
My sexy mouth.
Long day, time to see my fluffy dog. Scoo-doo-doo, scoo-doo-doo, scoo-doo-doo-doo.
Mira cómo juega escondite. No mira el hijo de la chingada.
When your dogs know they're in timeout.
Blue, can you say Happy Thanksgiving? Let's get in here. Come on. Come on. No, come on. Annie, here. I can't.
Dippy, are we going to go to bed or what? What's going on? What's going on? Come on. Like, are you good? Dippy, do you want to go to bed?
자는 거야? 나무? 나무. 너무 커졌어. 탈자.
Jesus.
Who is that dog? Who is that? Who's that dog?
Good boy.
Good job, Tim.
Okay, somebody's fucked. Oh, yep.
Hey. No. Give me that.
Can you protect me more quietly? Thank you.
Move, get away from that turtle. It's trying to lay eggs. Leave it alone. Come on. Let's leave the turtle alone. Yeah, move. Come on. Let's leave the turtle alone, babies. Come on.
Tata, qual é? Tá. É.
Is that comfortable?
Excuse me. I need to take a shower. Thank you.
Oh, you naughty baby!
It's okay, Kelly. Come here, honey. Come here.
Both hands on top of the dough and use your body weight to push the dough into itself. Use a scraper to pull the dough off the board if it sticks. Then sprinkle a little more flour onto the dough.
Oh, hi. You want to do huggies?
Oh, he's one lucky.
I'm so sorry for what you're going through.
Do it again.
Thank you.
Bro, you stop.
I have copies of the convocation.
Be nice.
No, that's okay. Let's take a breath.
Be nice to dad.
还是老规矩啊，来了，你吃尖儿，哎，我吃屁呀、你再来一个尖儿，我再来一个屁。这回，哎，我吃一个，嗯。
You happy? Yeah. Sandy Paws game. Sit. Sit. No. Sit.
Okay, come inside. Larry, it's get in the house. I have to go out. Come on. You stubborn husky. Get inside. You're such a jerk sometimes. Oh my god.
Hi, I have an appointment today.
He's new. Sorry.
Boys, excuse me, Mango. Can we have a peaceful walk? Oh my God! What did I just?
Remy, you okay? Remy, you okay? You good?
No.
Tiene cara de perrito malo. Claramente estás equivocado.
Hey, don't break that one. You already broke the hippopotamus. Don't break it. No. Somebody better let go.
What is that? What do you have over there? What? What is that? What is that?
No eggs. No eggs. Please stop. Mother.
Tells you anything different, he's a liar and a snake. You. Okay.
Oh!
My name is Pablo Juan Carlos Alejandro González María Lucia Mendoza Macarena Chipotle Tapatío con queso guacamole Ferreira Santiago Rodriguez, but everybody calls me Bobby.
Oh, he's coming to say hi. Hey, 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 hey.
You can't even make this shit up. How does one shit on the couch, I get up, and he's scared, he gets off the couch, does a spin move, and shits on my wall? I know you fucking lying right now.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la. La la la. La 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 la. La la la.
Cody, did you make this mess?
Tuck your tongue in.
Hey, Hazel. Hazel.
Watch the gate.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Bella, you can't bring in squirrel feet. Are you freaking kidding me? Go put the squirrel back.
Do you want to come to West Virginia? You could right now. We miss you.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
That's my spot. Oh shit. What the
Bubbles. Bubbles, I love you. I love you, Bubbles. I love you. You say love you? Yes, I love you.